Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Hashita Alveli. Today we have Narendra with us, who is from Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh, and he got placed in Hashedin by Deloitte recently. So he is here to share his experience with us. Let's get started. Let's talk to him and get to know about the entire interview process in detail. Hi Narendra.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. And what about you, ma'am?
I'm good too, Narendra. So yeah, firstly, I would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Hashedin, Narendra. We are very happy for you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so
Thank you
yeah,
for
could
your
you tell
support.
more about yourself, Narendra?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, as we know that I am Sirigiri Narendra. Yes, I, I completed my graduation in Sri Krishna Dev Raya University College of Engineering and Technology, which is located at Anantapur, in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. And then I placed at Hashedin By Deloitte before 4 months, like November 8th, mid of
Okay.
the October, like that. And then with the package of 7.15 LPA per annum.
Okay, and what's the job role that's offered for you, Narendra?
S-date, ma'am. S-date, nothing but software development engineering test.
Okay, fine. That's really nice. Such an amazing package, Narendra. And yeah,
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
ready to talk about the interview experience?
Yes, firstly, in the Hashedin By Deloitte, they have 4 rounds. First one is written test, and then technical round 1, and then technical round 2, and then fitment round. There is no
Okay.
HR round, is there fitment round.
Okay, let's
Okay,
talk
mean,
about every round in detail.
okay,
Okay, let's
in
come from
then
the beginning.
yes, in the written test means written test, like they given 40 questions, and then 20 questions will be in aptitude questions, and then 20 questions will be in the coding questions, like testing SD, what is SDLC, like SDLC roles,
So
what are the.
yeah, one second, Narendra. Was this an on-campus or an off-campus interview?
It is an off campus.
Off campus. So after you finished your graduation, you applied for it.
Yes, ma'am.
When did you apply? Do you remember the date or something?
Yes, I applied at mid of August.
In the mid of August 2021, you applied. And
Yes,
when did they get back to you?
they get back to me at October 4th, October 4th to October 12th, and then October 13th we will get offer letter.
Okay, October 4th, you got to know. And when was the first round conducted?
First round connected will be October 4th. Written test
October
will be
4th, the first round was conducted. Now
yes.
tell about the first round. What sections were there in the first round?
First round will be like first round, two sections will be there. One section will be aptitude, and second section will be like a coding session.
Okay, so first section is quant, logical, and verbal together, right?
Yes.
How many questions were there from each section?
uh, Only 20 questions will be there, and then 20 questions will be multiple choice. All are multiple choice questions.
Okay, so from quant section, how many questions were there?
20 questions.
Logical and verbal?
Logical and verbal 10 questions, and 10 questions will be mathematical, numerical ability.
Okay. I didn't get you. Quant questions in the sense numerical ability, right?
Yes.
So that is 20.
Yes, that is 20.
Logical is?
10. No, ma'am. Quant questions will be 10, and then logical and verbal ability will be 10.
Okay, so together from the first section, only 20 questions were
20
there.
questions. And then
Okay. So sectional time was there or together?
Together.
Whole section.
Whole section will be that.
Okay, so 20 questions, so 40 questions, right? Technical 20 and aptitude 20.
20.
So
Yes.
40 questions, what time was given?
They given 50 minutes.
50 minutes. Okay, super. So that was like more than a minute for every question. And
Yes.
all were MCQs.
Yeah, all over MCQs.
Okay, in the first section, questions from what concepts were asked, Narendra?
Concepts asking about proper ratios and proportion, and then clocks, timers.
Okay.
And then in logical means like missing letters, and then like framing sentences, like soldier, army, and then next word will be common, like committing that number, committing that word, like that given.
Okay.
20 questions. It will be very tough. I wrote almost 30 to 40 exams. Is mostly experience in Quant Masters only. I get more knowledge in Quant Masters.
Okay. So you were able to solve all the 20 questions. Were they?
Yeah.
It was difficult, right?
Yes, difficult. But it
Okay.
taking time in like aptitude questions will take more time.
Okay.
At
Solving will take a
approximately,
lot of time.
yeah, 25 minutes, approximate 25 minutes. And then another 25 minutes like coding sessions. coding questions,
Okay.
technical questions. And then in that coding, in the technical questions, 19 questions will be MCQs, and then one question will be like coding.
Okay, you have to write the code for one question and other 19 are MCQs.
MCQs.
Okay, so questions from what concepts were asked here on the
Like
technical part?
all are those are testing side, like HDLC, verification and
Okay.
validation, waterfall
Mhm.
model, and then
Okay.
spiral model, like agile method. Those are
Mhm.
the things.
So you are able to answer all of them over here.
Yeah, somewhat better. Actually, I preferred the development side, but I get testing
Okay, wanted to be developed. Okay, fine, fine. So this happened on October 4th, and when did you get to know that you are shortlisted for the next round?
within 3 days. October 7th, I get
October 7th,
technical
you
round.
got to know. Okay,
Yes,
and what was the next round? Technical round one,
round one.
right?
Yes.
Okay, tell us about the technical interview.
Technical interview means first introduce myself, and then
Hmm.
what is what, and tell me myself, and then where I play, where I learning, and where I mean communicate, and then how to improve my skills, and those I can what I done in final year project in final year, and those all things.
Okay.
And then after then they proceed to asking questions like tell me about polymorphism, method
Mm-hmm.
overloading, method overriding.
Okay.
Like this interview will be in 20 minutes only.
Mm-hmm.
We
Just
they
20 minutes, the interview was done.
yes,
All
uh,
basic questions were asked. It was not
basic
complicated.
questions, and they given two coding questions.
Okay, they asked you to write the code.
Yeah,
Do you remember what were those questions?
yeah. Remember, one question will be character replacement, like using
Mm-hmm.
arrays,
Okay.
and then another question will be sum of the arrays.
Okay. So
Basic
you could write
programming they
both of
ask.
them.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, anything else was asked in the second round?
Second round will be in 50 minutes. It will be mostly
I didn't get you.
second
You
tech.
mean to tell the second technical round?
Yes, first technical round will be that. That's it.
Okay. So after few minutes, the same day you
No,
had
no,
the
no,
second
no, no,
technical.
no. After 2 days.
After 2 days, you got to know that you have
Yes,
cleared the second round and you had the third round on
October 9th
October 9th. After a day, you had to take up the next round.
round.
That was technical round two. Again, an
Yes,
interview.
yes.
Okay. Yeah. Tell
It
us about that round.
yes, it is approximately 50 minutes. And then firstly asked tell me about myself, and then after then they ask like concepts, groups concepts, and then some of the basic concepts like public access modifiers, and then polymorphism constructors, like how they we can use constructors, how they can we use method overloading, overriding, and then where
Okay.
we can use inheritance concept, abstraction, like that they are asking. And then they ask like testing side. I said I'm not testing side, I am from development side. I'm the
Mm-hmm.
fresher, passed out recently August 2021 batch. Okay, and then fine, I will told okay, I can ask you some some basic programming questions, you can try it once. They told me. And
Mm-hmm.
then they given like some of the arrays concepts, like arrays questions. They ask,
Mm-hmm.
they follow also data structures also, like stack, queue, linked list. What is the difference between arrays and linked list?
Mm-hmm.
And then finally they ask some questions, two questions. Firstly coding questions, like what they ask means before interview,
Mm-hmm.
what coding questions you are faced. They ask me like that. Okay,
Okay.
I faced two coding questions, same that like technical interview one, what I said. Two coding questions. Yeah, you read well, right? Yeah, I will. I do good. I do my best. And then they ask another three more questions, like same that chorus concepts, and this then bear like
Okay.
prime numbers, odd numbers, like that they are asking. And
Mm-hmm.
then technical interview, to the end of the technical interview, they ask, do you know testing? He asked me, do I don't know testing. I know only development I know only development side, but I will try my level best. They ask me, like we have one test, like we have email, right? How to you don't know email password and email ID, how do you
Mm-hmm.
open it? Like tell me test cases.
Okay.
Okay, there are first, I tell only two test cases. One is correct, I fill the email correctly, and then second one is I will fill the password only. There are four test cases. They said, okay, you will be good. You know, you don't know right testing, but also you tried once, you get good. And then they told, and the next step move forwards, like you can improve, like you know agile method. They asking, you know agile
Okay.
model. Okay, I told I don't know agile model, but I try. I'm trying to learn new technologies. I said one example. If they ask, I mean, one suggestion for all of them means we don't know anything. We can give the explanation for what we did in the past, like in our college days. Like I said, I don't know in final year project MATLAB. I learned that software and I do project my own. Like
Okay.
that I said, means they get some impression. Okay, fine. They learn new technologies and they can do it easily. They think like that. That's one. And finally completed technical round 2, and then fitment round will be at October 11th.
Okay. Fine. What was that round about?
That round means they asking questions like what you do in college days, what is about, tell me about your graduation, like what you done in your graduation. Like in graduation we don't tell about right studies I done for 4 years, like 40 subjects, like I don't tell, right? But like it is something new, like we can tell, right? We tell something about, yeah, I done graduation, I'm the college event organizer. If in college everything goes on, I will be the first one. Like I am said, like in college fest also I'm the be the first one. I'm organizing, like I'm the technical department side. In technical
Okay.
department side, in every festival, like college fest, we have central attraction will be there. In that central attraction we can do, like I am from electrical background, right? We can do electrical technical department, like means we can do substations using cardboard sheets. Like we attracting differently from who will be who will coming to the guest that day.
Okay.
That guest will be impressed. They see, yeah, it's good, it's yeah, I didn't see anywhere. Like we can do like that. Okay,
Okay.
they're asking, and then they're asking, like they're asking about company. Do you know company Hashedin? Tell me about Hashedin. They ask me.
Okay.
I told Hashedin by Deloitte. Yeah, it is approximately 10 years build, and then it is a AWS certified, and then also it is a product based development company. Yeah, it is product based development company. They ask me, yes, okay, you can where you see product based development company. They ask me, yeah, I said I'm saw in Google what is Hashedin and all. Like we can search it now. They said, yeah, you search it now. What is Hashedin? Is product based or service based? Yeah, I see, and again I confirm you confirm, and there I will say to interviewer, yeah, it is a product based development company. I told, yeah, good. And this, and finally they ask me like what you ask, and they ask me any questions will be there, like that. I said no, simply smiling. I said no, I don't have any questions. But and finally I asked one question, like when we get result,
Okay.
like because of like I have one feeling like I am selected or not, but I can't ask directly, yes, I am
Yeah.
selected or not, but I asking when we get result. They said me, yeah, we have within one day you get offer letter, you can see a package, will discuss my team. And they said, okay, thank you, approximately 20 minutes will be happening that fitment round.
Okay. So when did you get to know the final results?
October 12th.
12th. Okay,
Yeah,
okay, fine. So you didn't have to wait for a long time, right? You
yes,
got to know. Okay,
within
okay.
10 days the process will be completed, would be
Okay,
completed.
okay. Super, super. So that was the entire interview experience.
Yes,
And yeah. So do you have any tips or suggestions to your friends and juniors who are trying to get placed in Narendra?
yes, be confident. If they ask any question, give the like answering given will be would be confident, and then give some explanation what you said, what you done before past, like that.
Okay, okay. Super, super. Fine. So yeah, since you're a student of Quant Masters, would you like to tell how was your journey with Quant Masters, Narendra?
Yes, quant masters will be very good, because of I don't know, I started my career before, I don't know anything. I can go, like I'm from technical background, right? Triple E, like electrical and electronics engineering. Yeah, my mind will be totally in like I can go gate side, gate, I can write gate. I can do something. I will go in, will go in like government job, I can do government job, like that I feeling. But after that
Okay.
I can started my career at April month. I started learning software technologies like
Okay.
Java programming. Then
Mm-hmm.
I started Java. I don't know. Yeah, so much of confusion will be there. Like what is abstraction, what is inheritance? I can't understand. At that
Okay.
time, I saw in Instagram profile like Quant Masters.
Mm-hmm.
In that Instagram profile, like I surfing Instagram, like
Okay.
I get some questions like Java C, what difference between C Java?
Mm-hmm.
Like both I comparison both. Yeah, I can easily understand. I can go, and then I started my career in Quant Masters. Firstly, I started my career in Quant Masters.
Okay.
I'm from batch 16 student.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was nice, and that was the entire journey will be good. Then I learn a lot in Quant Masters. Yeah, everything said right. First impression is the best impression, right? Like first platform is the best platform, I think.
Okay, fine, Narendra. It was really, we are really happy that we could help you. We are also pleased you got to learn something from us. We are happy about it. And one last question, Narendra, would you recommend Quant Masters to your friends and juniors?
Yes, ma'am. I referred so many members.
Oh, that's really nice of you, Narendra. Thank you so much. And also thanks for being here, sharing all the information with us.
Thank
Students
you.
who are watching this will definitely find it very helpful.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations once again and all the very best for your future, Narendra.
Thank you, ma'am.